Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the November 2025 Sew Sampler box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They're put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They're $29.99, I think, a month plus shipping. And we're going to take a look and see what's inside this month's box. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for all of the contents in this month's box as well. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see how to enter to win. Okay, so we're going to start off with our insert. The theme for this month is called Winter Orchard. And on the back of your insert is 2 QR codes for a couple different quilt options, plus a Sew Sampler special savings coupon for 25% off one or more Jolly Bar books with purchase. So you'll want to check that out. All right, we're going to start off with the flowering quilt along block. This is block number 8. This month's flowering block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as this sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed any of the blocks, you can get those patterns at Fat Quarter Shop. They value at $4.98. And I mentioned I was doing a giveaway for this box. It will include everything except for this pattern because I actually have them all saved up here for all of the previous months. I will bundle these all up once I have them all plus the finishing, and we'll do a giveaway for one of you. So this will be the only thing not included in any of the Sew Sampler giveaways. The fabric in this month's box is the Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake. This is by Lola Boutique. It values at $27.98 and it says sweet as can be, the Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake, that's all I have to say, is buzzing with charm. This collection mixes sweet florals, orderly honeycomb prints, and darling text across shades of pink, orange, green, and a touch of sky blue. Each 10-inch square in this 24-piece pre-cut is a honey sweet touch of charm ready to make your next project bloom. Pair it with the Orange Blossoms quilt pattern included in this month's box to create a quilt that's positively delightful. The next thing in our bag is this diagonal seam tape by Cluck Cluck Sew. This values at $6.98, and it says draw the line at marking fabric and let diagonal seam tape do the work instead. With 3/4 inch line markings, simply align the center line with your needle and apply and use them as guides to sew half square triangles, flying geese, or more without drawing any lines. This strong yet thin tape is secure when you need it and lifts away easily when you're finished. With 10 yards per roll, it'll last quilt after quilt and keep your seams on the straight and narrow, 1/4 inch to be exact. So here's what the tape looks like. I'm not going to open it because I do want to do a giveaway for it, but this is one of my favorite notions in my sewing room. I have a video here on how to use it as well, and I did just want to put out a little quick public service announcement, I guess. Stick with the Cluck Cluck Sew brand. I have purchased other cheaper brands off Amazon just to try and see what they were like, and the lines were actually not exact, and then also they didn't have the markings on them, which I kind of like the red with the black and the 1/4 inch markings. It's not like you can't figure that out, but I do prefer that, and I also just think this tape works a little bit better as far as not leaving any residue on my machine. So you can get the cheaper one on Amazon if you're going to buy this, but I would double check the lines if you do. Honestly, I would just stick to the Cluck Cluck Sew brand. I think this one is really nice, and like the flyer said, it actually lasts for quite a while. I will link my tutorial on how to use this tape below this video or somewhere up here for you to check out. Okay, the next thing in our box here is the Orange Blossoms quilt pattern. This values at $9.98. It's a Sew Sampler exclusive. It says stitch up something sweet with the Orange Blossoms quilt pattern. This design uses a simple mix of squares and half square triangles to create a dizzying, dancing field of blooms. Pair it with the Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake. I don't know why I can't say that. And let those colors blossom beautifully across every block. With its wild charm and honeyed hues, this pattern is sure to bring out the sweetest stitches. This pattern finishes at 40.5 by 40.5. There are a few extra fabric requirements that you will need to be able to finish it. This is pretty beginner friendly as far as the sewing of the blocks. However, the assembly is going to be a little bit, not tricky, but you're just going to need to pay attention to the graphics in the pattern to make sure that you have all of your little half square triangles going the right way. All right, and then the last thing in our box are these 4-inch small perfect scissors by Karen K. Buckley. These value at $23.48. It says comfy, bright, and sharp to the last snip. The perfect scissors are a must for precision cutting. These lime green 4-inch scissors feature soft handles and micro serrated blades that keep fabric from slipping, prevent frayed edges, and give you clean, accurate cuts every time. A busy bee's best friend, they're perfect for tidying up all the half square triangles in this month's quilt pattern, and there were a lot of half square triangles in there. These scissors looked really nice. Like it mentioned, the handles are flexible. And then that tip does look nice and sharp, and I'm always on the hunt for sharp scissors. So these will look a lot like the OmniGrid ones that I've been using. I love those, but these look really nice as well. I've never tried them. All right, that's everything that came in this month's box. I added it up for you. The retail value of the box is $73.40, which is a pretty good value. I think because products are getting more expensive, I feel like we're getting less things in our box. We're getting less things in our box. I think I said that last month too. So when I opened the box, I'm like, oh, that's all. But that said, I am actually really happy with all of the things in this month's box. Diagonal seam tape is one of my all-time favorites. Scissors look great. Pattern is super cute, and the fabric is really, really pretty. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing. Now, I mentioned I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this box minus that flowering block pattern. So I'm going to step aside and put some rules up here on how to enter to win the giveaways. Rule number 1, please make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and when I release a video, it will pop up in your feed so you can see all the new releases. We have a ton of fun stuff coming for 2026. And I did have a couple that I chose last time that were winners, and then when I went to check, they weren't subscribers. So I had to move on to the next person. So make sure you're subscribed for a chance to win. Number 2, leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing was from this month's unboxing. I will pick a winner from one of those comments. I will reply to your comment here on YouTube, and then I will also put your name in the description box below this video. So it will say winner, and then whatever your login name for YouTube is will be there as well. If you think you won, please email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Please don't give your information to anyone else. And then number 3, I do apologize, but I do keep my giveaways right now to United States only. International shipping is really expensive, and I do ship these boxes out myself. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to leave a comment below to enter to win. Thanks so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.